Hello, been here again. Ben's Fix Arrows. Today I'm changing the hood on the front. It just don't go. It just don't hold. So I'm changing. I got the new one here. Just pop out this in here with a flat screwdriver. Right. There you go. See, once this thing is popped out, then you can pull this there like this, and this one is same thing with the other one. There you go. Oops. See, that one's gone here. Oh, this one, just go along with it. There. And then, see, very easy. And I'm gonna do the other side the same. You really need, I think it's better to have a really flat and then a thin, small one. This one is easy. Now it's very easy. See? Just like that. There you go. And now, yeah. See? That's it. That's the new one. That's the new one. So now, all you got to do, just try to close it like that. See? So thank you very much. Thank you for supporting my channel, Ben's Fix Arrows. See you again next time. Thank you.